The Perfect Fit by Jean Healey. Read by Sophie Morris Shepherd. Narrated by Sophie Morris Shepherd. In a faraway land with a beautiful view, there once was a woman who lived in a shoe. She lived with her children, a cat and a dog, 2 friendly chickens, a rat and a frog. One day she announced, "We must find a new home. This shoe is too small. My children have grown." They sat round the table and thought up a plan, then packed up their things, and their journey began. They hurried past gardens and climbed over feet, then lumbered up stairwells and into the street. They dodged spinning doorways and tripped over combs, then wobbled on paths made of old cobblestones. They found a stiletto and squealed with delight. It glistened and shimmered and shone in the night. They dashed up the ladder and scrambled inside. Then one at a time they all whizzed down the slide.